So I'm making a sourdough fry bread in the morning, and I have this tiny fairy egg. Super tiny. This is another fairy egg, but slightly bigger. And they are just so small. I mean, compared to the size of the regular eggs, like, just as a size comparison, this is how small they are. So I'm just gonna make them as part of my fry bread. I wanted to see what these tiny little eggs turn into. Oh my god, how cute. It doesn't even have a yolk. No. It's so small. It's so funny. It's like I just cracked open a jellyfish. Wow. That's so cute.